Ayan, si Exo. Easy.
Damn!
Sana all.
Ayan, si Exo.
Yan.
Si Easy.
Let's go. Punishment hands up.
Start ko lang, sir.
Malakas yun si Easy.
Punishment hands up.
Nakaka-start ko lang.
Ako,
Same. Wala pa nga akong top di to.
Kakastart ko lang din.
Please don't look up the screen.
Ano? 500 hands up. 1K kagat. Di ba, Ate Tony, kagat yun 1K? Tama? Sige. Tama? Sige.
Galing.
Magaling na set, ha?
Guys, triple, guys. Let's go. Triple. Guys, triple, guys. Hands up na para.
Hi, Sol. Guys, 500, heads up. What the? Loki,
GG,
sa
thank
kabila
you
si
so
Jay.
much.
Ay, nahawakan ko yung... Uy, hindi.
Yari kasi.
Wala nga
Mag-hands up
eh.
tayo.
Malakas yan si Jay.
Guys, huwag tayo magpapatalo. Huwag tayo
Yan ni Jay.
magpapatalo.
Ay, nagre-ready na si
Ang
Shay.
point eh.
Nagre-ready na. Magtaas ng kamay.
Oo, ma-ready na ako kasi wala na kaming coin.
Yan, bago yan.
Kala mo, buhat ka ngayon.
Hi, Jenny. Hoy, Luna Bells.
What? Yana, thank you, Yana. Grabe ka, Yana. King James. Ayan, triple, guys. Guys, times 3. Guys, times 3, guys.
Go, guys. Guys, tap your screen. Share, repost the live. Yeah. Tap your screen, guys. Share, repost the live. Don't forget to update your daily heart me and all new viewers out there. Can you be follow and you can subscribe also. Guys,
Let's go.
prioritize.
You only sleep our gallery, guys.
Hoy, Shay. Susuportahan kita, ha?
Oh, cheer mo si Johnny dyan. Let's go!
Ate Lee.
Hi, Miss Yesha.
Triples,
Guys,
guys.
triple.
We have triples.
Logi na pag nagwala na yung mga teammate niya ni Shay.
Triples! Shit.
Wala, di ba? Wala pa. Sayang.
Triples not started yet!
Couldn't reach the target.
Yes,
Hi,
Ate Lee.
Gopi.
Okay na, Ate Lee, yan. Okay na po.
Crazy,
Okay na,
hello.
Ate Lee, yan. Top 4. Let's go, triple, guys. 500 punishment.
Hi, Dixon.
Thank you, Ate
Masyado
Lee.
mababa yung 500.
Step Army.
Wow.
Out na Step Army.
Wala bang score talaga?
Triple.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ayos ko, set.
Ang ganda ng ano.
Easy, asa na si M? Asan si M? Easy.
Birthday niya kasi ngayon. Busy siya.
Ganda ng hugot ko.
Wala siya dyan.
Wala.
Hands up, guys. Hands up.
Wait lang.
Depende, punishment, hands up. Mag-hands up kayo dyan.
Hands up. May kagat yan. May kagat pala. May kagat yan.
Teka lang, ba't may kagat? Ano kakagating ko?
1K. Kahit ano. Ganda ng ano, hugot ko. Nice.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Ito tayong sound.
Hindi ka na ulit tumiga siya eh.
May sound pa.
Ano, sagarin na natin to habang kakalive lang natin to. Thank you so much, Yana.
Hindi talaga ako nag-play ng punishment.
Yana, thank you so
Minsan
much.
lang.
Maganda to. Ikaw na lang kampi ko pag kinalaman si Lyra.
takot sila pag sa akin. Baka makawawa sila.
O, di ba nakakangawit?
Boss Paradox!
Mababait, tayo naman ngayon.
Aray ko!
Let's go,
6,
Bulls.
5,
Hindi,
4,
magbabagsak yan!
3, 2, 1!
Kagat. Ano ba yan?
Mati ate daw din, tumamalak pa. Tumamalak pa. Tumamalak pa.
Let's go! Let's go!
Ayos.
No!
Oh my God. Ano? Fake gloves.
My first time ko to ma-punishment.
Hindi totoo yan.
Lang yun. Kasalanan mo to, Seth.
Nagaway.
Oh my God. may hand is, ano is shaking now
Hindi ka pao.
Yeah. Times 2 guys, times 2. Times 2 multiplier. Tonyang, gawa, Tonyang! Gawa, Tonyang. Yes! Yeah, I'm happy now because you know, yeah, my hand get
Gagawin ko wala.
is
Pilitin ko.
yes. Later I have a surprise for you.
Jason, how are you?
Let's go guys, come on.
Jensen, thank you so much.
Oh, di ba nakakangawit? Ewan ko ba, sino ba kasi naka-invento na ito, ba? Ayaw mo pa lumaban. Tonyang!
Ano?
May papalag pa dyan sa inyo?
Kaka-start ko pangalan.
Mag-invite ka na dali. Ikaw naman sa
Ako
susunod sa round.
nag-share ng live. Hi, Pia.
Yes, I post already on the IG. So, here? Yeah. I post here. So, just try to look.
His name.
What I get.
Guys, we need to show point.
Hi, cute. So, sino ba kasi nagaya niyan? Ba't ako lang siya tumatanggi? Ikaw nag-invite sa akin?
First love from my heart for the first time, and I was like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh, like, baby, 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 oh, thought you'd always be mine, baby, baby, oh, like,
Tonyang, ano, lalaban pa ba tayo? Nangangawit na ako eh, manasakit na ng kamay ko. Tonyang!
Sino ko?
Kaya ba? Kaya?
Set, balik ako.
Sige, sige.
Yes,
Okay.
this was the first time.
Babay na, Ate Shay. Ayoko na. Ikaw talaga.
This was
Minsan
the
mo
first
kasi-
time I do this, Johnny. No way.
Yes, of course.
You guys will regret this.
Uy, dalawa nga sa akin, isa lang sa'yo eh.
Nakakangaloy. First time.
O, diba? Masakit pala.
Anong ini-invento ni Seth? Seth, kung wala ka ng panlaban, wala na tayong laban.
Isang fresh motherfucker and the thing, ano, nandiyan